Right, good morning guys. Hello. We'll get started in a few minutes. All right, so like up the stream as usual. Same thing. Like up the stream, comment some stuff, anything random. It can be stock related, it can be general questions, it can be anything about the Discord, anything, any questions, feel free to ask, all right? I will get started in like 2-3 minutes. Right. Hello. What up, everyone? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Later on in the stream, probably in about 40 minutes, I will be going over the Discord so everyone can see what is inside of the Discord. All right, because I get a lot of questions asked, so I will go over that a little bit, and then I will open up some spots because I'm sure some people will want to join. All right. So that will be in about 40 minutes. What do you guys, anyone been trading? What do you guys been trading this morning? SMFL is definitely worth entries if you want to make some money. Looks good. Very clean setup. Very clean. What up, guys? What up? Hello. First, Ariane was first. Well done. First. ADXN. I'm going to go through Twitter, guys. So ADXN, let's have a look. So we can see what's happening, that we are forming a downtrend. Let's see. Break and close above this on the 1 minute. Maybe you can look for entry. So candle needs to close above like that. Okay. If it doesn't and it keeps rejecting like this, please do not enter. So ADXN. Wait for candle close above. Downtrend. So this is 1 minute chart. See that? See that? So that's what you can wait for. Use the 1 minute time frame. Here's the time frame at the bottom, guys, for those who get confused. Here, right here, 5 minute time frame I'm using. That is what I use. That's 99% of the time. That is the chart that I'm using, or time frame, sorry. Also, retweet the YouTube link so we get some more people in here. We're gonna start growing this really good. Also, I'll mention again later, but 7:30 EST time, PM. EST. It's like 3 a.m. here in Dubai, or 3:30 a.m. I'm going to be waking up and doing the spaces. I'm going to be doing the small cap spaces with, I don't know if you know who he is. He's pretty much the big guy in the spaces community, I guess, for FinTwit. His name is Wolf_Financial. He sent me a message last week and he wants myself and Hassie, to join the spaces on Tuesdays, which we will be doing at 7:30 p.m. EST, which is kind of cool. So we'll be chatting just about, I guess, the market will be closed. So just chatting about what plays ran and all those kind of things. So we'll see how that goes. Get some more of you guys in there. You guys can have a chat with us and things. So it'll be cool. If you guys are available, make sure to join it. I will send out the link once I'm live, but I might be half asleep since it's like 3:30 a.m. But yeah, 7:30 p.m. EST. I'll mention it again once we get more people in here. Rightio, let's see. Let me go through these guys here. Trib, enter now. I don't really like Trib at the moment. I don't like those weird candles. Trib. So Trib, there is nothing. Look, nothing. Trib, I would not enter until 412. Trib, so Trib here, look. Trib. Oh, just wait for downtrend break. Wait for downtrend break. See this? Downtrend break like that. Okay, let's see. 100 club. NDRA, let me have a look. Hassie gave this banger yesterday on NDRA. Very, very nice setup. Guys, also, I've tried to set up this tip jar thing for people who ask for it. For myself, I guess on my Twitter. Just for me posting charts, and if you make money or something, someone just suggested. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to donate like 50% of it. I'll show you guys at the end of the month, and then just donate 50% to charity, and then the other 50% I'll do a giveaway or something. I think will be cool. Let me know. But I think if you can try, if anyone wants to try and do it, I don't know how it works, the tip thing, but I can't link. There's no choice. It doesn't give me a choice to link what I want. It has Cash App and Venmo, but I don't even know how that's linked. I never did it. So don't send it to there because I don't have any of those accounts. But I think Patreon is one. I did link mine, but I'm not sure how it works. I don't know how exactly it works. So if you do decide to send something, just send it to the Patreon there on the tip jar thing. But otherwise, I don't really know how it works. Obviously, it's completely optional, right? CVS. Kranthi, please do not spam. I can see it. I can see Mullen, brother. I can see it. Because if you spam, I will just ignore you, okay? Please, brother. Please, just be patient. It's very rude if you keep spamming it, right? I'm not a robot. You're very impatient. And if you're going to keep spamming and be impatient, I'm assuming you're a very bad trader, because if you can't trade and have no patience, you will be down bad, right? So please be patient, brother. Please. Just going through Twitter, guys. Can keep posting some tickers and that, and then I'll go through your requests in a bit. ENSC. Oops, that is not what I want. Chart. Ooh, interesting. ENSC. Oh, I accidentally added this. How do I remove this? There we go. ENSC running. Yes. So we just add ENSC to our watch list. If you're trying to look for entries, I would wait for 0.8 or 0.83. I would wait for a close above this on, I would say, the 1 minute chart if you want to take some riskier entries. So you have to wait for a candle to close, or we can say above 8.4, sorry. So candle close above 0.84 on the 1 minute time frame, you can look for your entry. The candle should look like this, right? This is called a candle closure above, right? If the candle does this and it rejects, that is not a candle close above. So it has to close above 0.84. You can use the 1 minute, 20 minute, weekly, 5 minute, 30 second, whatever you decide. 0.84 break and close above. Wait for 0, yeah. Wait for that to close above. ENSC. Yeah, ENSC I just added to my watch list. Former run as well. We'll keep an eye on it. And keep an eye on it. Right, let's go. Hello, 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 welcome, 7th. Hello, welcome. Hope everyone has a great day. Yes, 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 let's go. Tan H. If you're looking for entries on Tan H, I personally would wait for 0.25. Close above that. It does have a huge gap here on the daily. 4-hour time frame. Obviously, you're rejecting a lot of 0.25, huge psychological level. So if I meant considering anything, I would not enter this trade unless it closes above 0.25. So put an alert, screenshot it, send it to your girlfriend, whatever you need to do to remember. All right. Staff. STAF. No, STAF doesn't look great, but let's have a look on the 4-hour. Maybe we can try and conjure something up here. Maybe a falling wedge. We'll have to wait and see. I have to wait and see here, like this. See, maybe a falling wedge. Yeah, possibly could look for entries, but not enough volume at the moment. So staff, falling wedge. I personally would wait for it to come down to around this 222 level, which is around here. Sorry, 232 level, around here maybe. So you want it to have a little more price action within this wedge like this. Maybe come down a bit, then there, then break, and then out, you know? So that's what you can wait for. What up, Lucky? Long time no see, I think, if that's the same person as I remember. What is on the menu today? Bears are on the menu. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. That is correct. That is correct. Bears are on the menu. SOPA. SOPA. SOPA is holding 122. If you want to take entries, I would have a max 5% stop loss from here. So if you enter, sorry, 7%. So like do 115 as your stop loss. Nice psychological level. And then aim for 5% from here. So around 131, right? So these are your levels. If you decide to enter SOPA now, you have a game plan, right? You know, if you enter the trade and you're looking for 5%, you're getting 130. 131, right? You have a stop loss, 115. That's it. As simple as that. So there's no harm in trying it. I wouldn't go full port because you should never, ever, 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 ever be doing that. Right? Maybe in a falling wedge here. So possibly, yeah, maybe you could look for entries. I'm not going to be touching this. I'm not really interested in it, to be honest. I'm going to go through this candle because it is an 8 a.m. candle wick, which I'm not really worried about. But yeah, it should break out. Should get 5%. 131 is 5% from where I was talking about. All right. The reason why I went through this candle here is because it's an 8 a.m. candle. It's not a real candle. FFIE. I messed up this morning on the trade, on not the trade, on the breakdown. I put Maxin instead of Mullen. I don't know if anyone saw that, but I mentioned that I fixed it. FFIE is just ranging. Look here, huge resistance here, right? So 774, what is this around here? 845. Yeah, it's a difficult one. I would maybe 775. Maybe you could wait for 775. So focus on this current level at the moment. So don't enter now because every time it gets to this level, it's rejected, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 times it's rejected. Why are you going to keep trying to enter? So wait for the close above. Then you have range to 841. We can move it to this level here. It's 844. So FFIE, wait for 775 break. So FFIE, wait for 775 break above. Right, let's like up the stream, guys. Let's like it up, like it up, like it up. It's free, it's free, it's free. I'm going to be going over the Discord, guys. So get all your friends in here. Get everyone in here if you want to have a look at what is inside of the Discord. All right, so I'll show it in like 20 minutes. Just going to run through Discord, show you guys the difference between Discord, Twitter, all the information there so you can have a look And then I will open up some spots as well. I know 2 people have just joined now. Just make sure you watch the intro video, please, please, please. ENSC, nothing yet. As I mentioned, if you're looking for an entry, you need a candle closed above 0.84. Close above that, you can look for your entries. Staff, I had a look at staff. How do you get real time on data on Webull here? I'm not too sure. Maybe click extended hours so you can see what's going on. Click extended, that is including pre-market and after hours. MaxNet, I'm assuming you mean Maxon. Maxon, there is no entry on Maxon unless it closes above 0.1860. Screenshot this, send it to your girlfriend, send it to your mom, your dad, whoever you need to remember that 0.86 is where you should look for your entries, all right? That's it. 77.5. All right. CIFR. CIFR, what's happening with this? This is a miner, I'm assuming, Bitcoin miner. So at the moment, there's nothing really going on with this, right? If we identify what's going on with this, we could just say it's kind of ranging in this range. So it's, there's no reason to be entering this. If you're trying to consider something, maybe above 420, 420, 420. Mullen is here. This is Mullen right here. If you're trying to look for Mullen entries, wait for 0.4155, the yellow line. Close above 0.4155, then you can look for some entries, all right? Otherwise, nothing on it. Just leave it, leave it, leave it alone. 22 likes. Come on, guys. We get to at least 50. At least 50. At least 50. At least 50. IVP. IVP is running. I know this is a former runner. Just keep this on my watch list here. We have, yeah, right now, it's kind of a weird chart. Needs to break that downtrend. Weird chart at the moment. Yeah, just wait for this to break. I'm not too sure what this is. 330 level. So IVP needs to break downtrend. Needs to break downtrend. All right, so once you get that, then you'll be all right. Guys, like the actual thing, not the emoji. Not the emoji, the actual like button next to the share, clip, save, whatever. Thoughts on Hollow? Hollow, I mentioned Hollow. It's in a falling wedge, it's in a demand zone, it needs to hold 0.48. On Hollow, 0.48. EVTV might be a falling wedge. This one got a huge sell-off, huge pump and dump on this. Maybe a falling wedge, maybe, possibly, but no, not for me, no falling wedge. If I'm trying to consider something on this, I would have to wait for like 250. Close above 250, then look left, clean range all the way up to 276. UPST. UPST is a larger cap. It broke out of this, so it's very, very bullish. Yeah, it's looking good. Strong trend on this. Here you go. You can go through these wicks a bit. These are your trends. So ideally you want it to come back down to here. So this is your next like major support, I would say, about $41. So see if it can pull back to around here, 41. If you get this $41, then you should be all right. This is where your loading zone would be. Loading zone. So UPST. Wait for pullback to $41 to reload. UPST SPY. I don't really do large caps, guys, to be honest with you. SPY weekly is pretty much at the highs here. SPY weekly is nearly all-time highs again. Daily, yeah, you're pretty much there. You broke this high, broken low. As long as it holds this level, you're fine. I would take sells underneath this, or below this, sorry. Below 553.86, I would take sells for option gurus. Or, sorry, below here, yeah, 551, around here. I would take puts. GHSI, this is getting pumped all over Twitter. For me, it's down, what, 21% yesterday? It's absolute shit. Shit. Nothing on this. If you're looking for entries, if you want to take something, I would wait for 1430. Right, that's what I'm assuming you're waiting for, so 1430. Nothing less, 1430, break above. Yeah, 1430, then maybe you can look for something. Where is this thing? VCIG. VCIG, is this running? It is running, yeah. So if you're looking for entries, just mark the high area around or the resistance. So here, what I would do is I would simply just draw this resistance line like that. So you know now comfortably that you're not going to be entering this trade because that's stupid, because you're going to be buying into resistance and it keeps rejecting. But you know, if you're a smart trader and you have patience, you'll wait for the close above this and then hopefully it'll push up, right? So nothing on that, unfortunately. Nothing on that. MNTS up 6%. Difficult one here. MNTS has a lot of resistance around here. MNTS has very low volume. The major resistance level I see is 1.27. So what I suggest is waiting for that 1.27 and then entering. You'll see a lot of times, guys, I'm giving you where you should enter. So it pretty much shows you, right, what you need to do is that it's all about patience. Timing to execute, that is what you need to also focus on. But look, if the candle closes above 1.27 on the 1 minute time frame, 30 second, 2 second, 1 second, 50 minute, daily, weekly, whatever time frame you decide, closes above there, that gives you the confirmation that it should continue to go up, right? I always say it every day because we get a lot of new members or new followers in here, so I'm trying to just explain it as I go every time. It might sound repetitive, but that's how you trade. I basically trade like a robot. Same thing every single time, right? So in a situation like this, you are not entering the trade. Just think about this logically. If you were not even a trader and you're your first time ever looking at the chart, right? You can see that every time it gets to 1.27, what is happening, right? You can see that it's rejecting, right? If you're smart and have some kind of common sense, you're going to be stupid to buy the stock right here because 1, 2, 3 times, even 4 times, it's rejected. So why are you going to keep buying if it keeps rejecting? You know, you don't need to trade. You don't need to understand trading or anything like that. It's simple logic. Buying into a resistance where it keeps rejecting, there is probably a 70-30% chance that it will go down, right? The reason why you want to get into this play is to make money, right? If you're buying. So it's very simple. If the candle closes above this resistance, it confirms that all of this resistance has been broken. Now there is a higher probability that the stock will continue to go up, right? So now it's in your favor that the stock will continue to push up if it closes above because it's broken out. It's broken out of all of this resistance, and now there's a confirmation that it should continue to go up. Is there a 100% chance? No. Is anything 100% chance? No. But there is a higher probability, I would say at least 60-70% chance of it going in your favor and making money. If you're buying into this situation, it's probably 30% chance of it going in your favor. All right? That's as simple as I can explain to you on that chart. All right? Give me 1 minute, guys. I'm going to go get some water. Right, I'm back. MNTS serve. Let me have a look at serve. Does everybody understand that? Like up the stream if you understand what I said. You see serve? Look, I had this charted probably 2 weeks ago. I drew this. Look. It's done exactly what I expected and what you expect to happen when a downtrend is formed. It's done exactly what I've expected it to do. No break above. There was no reason to enter, so it kept going down. You know, is it very slow? Yeah, pre-market's slow today. Doesn't mean anything. Don't get caught up in it, to be honest. There is always runners. Always, always, always. Every single day there is a runner. Whether the market is about to crash, it will still give us runners. Zap. I do like this trade, like this stock, but in terms of a trade setup, I would have to wait for downtrend break. Wait for a downtrend break on this. I wouldn't consider anything now though, unfortunately. So Zap, wait for downtrend break. We have CNSP. Guys, I will be doing going over the Discord in like 10 minutes. So if you want to stay in, stay in. I'm going to be going over the Discord, showing you guys everything in there. So if you want to join, there will be spots open at the end of the stream. All right. All right, this one here, you need 2188. I would say 0.2185. So look, close above 0.2185. Then you can look for your entries on this. CNSP, wait for 2.185 break. You see a lot of times I say wait for the break above, wait. Or you just look for the chart patterns and so on, right? Right, HYZN, let me have a look. Guys, I'm going through your charts now. Give me a second. HYZN, so we have to clean this whole chart up. Obviously, we can see we are going into a bullish trend. We are heading to a resistance, which is 1035, 0.1035. Right, so we can put this in purple, as I always do. And then I would just wait for this break. This thing is 8 cents, just please bear in mind. It's a very cheap stock, which means that it's not a very good stock, in my opinion. All right, HYZN needs 0.1035 break. But yeah, like I was mentioning earlier, you'll see most of the time I say wait for the break above, because a lot of these charts that people ask or are looking at, they need, right? A lot of them are very bearish. So you have to wait for the confirmation for it to become bullish. And that's where you are going to make the money. As everyone knows, the trend is your friend. So focus on the trend. Zap, Husa, oil plays. They ran yesterday. I saw that. These are just difficult. These don't really go off technicals in my opinion. This is a little bit of a difficult one. Personally, I would avoid trading Husa. I would focus more on INDO since that is the mover. But if you are looking for entries on this, I would say that 130 break above, maybe. You know, 130 break above. Above 130, then maybe, yeah. But just chill on it. Just chill on it. Indo, yeah, Indo will be the first one to move out of all of them. So this is the one I personally would focus on if I was to take any trade on the oil side. Oil side, wait for 367. Close above on oil here, then this should continue to push up. But yeah, like I said, get this one instead of all the others. Unless you like playing lagging plays, fair enough. But yeah. Wait for 367, break above. Okay, let me have a look and see. SMFL, BJDX, Mira, ASNS, Mira. Mira, there is nothing on this. It's in a downtrend at the moment. Mira, you need to wait, unfortunately. Mira's coming down. Yeah, nothing on this. It's a very slow stock yesterday. I got stopped out on this. Expected it. It was ranging and I expected to break up, but it was too weak. Right now, it's nothing good. Mira, current downtrend. Mira, current downtrend. BJDX, 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 let me have a look. BJDX, low volume. Yeah, very, very bearish on this. Look, zoom out of the chart and look there. I don't know if there's news coming with this, but at the moment, the current technicals show that the stock is bearish. Until it becomes bullish is when it breaks this trend line. Does that make sense? So you need to wait for trend line break. So BJDX, wait for downtrend break. All right. So wait. SMFL, let me have a look. Ooh, SMFL broke below here, but the good thing is that we're at a support here. I don't know what these candles are. I don't know if these are fake candles here, if anyone knows, but we just can update this falling wedge. Go like this. There you go. So yeah, we can say it still is in a falling wedge. I actually do like this around here. Strong area support. I just wish there was a demand zone, but yeah, SMFL. SMFL at big support level. What is a good time frame for trend analysis, wedge analysis? Trend analysis and wedge analysis is different. Trend analysis, you use larger time frames. So you can use the 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. And then for your time frames, it depends. If you want to become a day trader, you use shorter time frames, 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute. There's no best time frame, but it just depends what kind of trader you want to be. Day traders use smaller time frames, swing traders use larger time frames, long term, daily, weekly plus they use. Hope that helps. I just use the 5 minute. That's all I use. That's all I use. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. ASTS is looking good. Yeah, ASTS expecting a breakout. Ideally, I want it to come down a bit more to 31, but still bullish. It's the most bullish stock this year. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Andrew. Good afternoon, brother. Good afternoon. VRAX. VRAX is not looking good because obviously this is a monkeypox play, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. You could maybe use this as a falling wedge if you want to, but yeah, you can have this. I mean, maybe buys around here, $4 would be good if it can hold. Maxin, I've already gone on Maxin. Please save this one, brother. Maxin, unless it closes above 0.1860. So you have a long way to go. You have to wait 10% for this to close above here. Then you can look for entries. But nothing on this. Look, nothing on this. This is your no trade zone. Red zone. No. Nothing. Because it keeps going up and down here. Close above, you have clean range all the way up, right? Breaks above here, you have clean range. Look, you have clean range for another 8%, and then from there you have 12%. So like 20% all the way up to here. Don't use Husa. No worries, Severa. Slow as a snail, yeah, it is, right? I mean, when volume comes in, it's just a little bit difficult. Hollow, guys. Hollow, in my opinion, is still bullish as long as it holds this demand zone, okay? This is the last demand zone here, which is the bottom of this is 0.4123. That is it. I'm not in this. I'm not trading it. I don't care about it. This is just based on what I see for the technicals. All right. So I would say if you're down more than 7% or 5%, cut it, move on, focus on the next play. ENSC, let's see it. ENSC, nothing for me on this. Yeah, nothing for me on this. Maybe, I don't know. Oops, that just glitched. Yeah, I mean, if you want to try and take an entry, you could. You just have a max 5% stop loss on this. So you enter here, 5% is like here. And then 5% target is around here, 7572. Yeah, so this is what you're looking for. Here's your 5%, here's your whatever, 7% stop loss. Falling wedge, hopefully it breaks out. NDRA, I just went over that one. Here it is. If you're trying to look for entries on this, I personally would just wait for 0.7100. All right, 5 minutes, guys, and I'll be going over the Discord. Actually, I'll go in a few minutes. Morning all. Sorry, ASST. Scott, I just did it just as soon as you came. Here. ASST. Oh, no, not ASST. Sorry, no. This wasn't. I was thinking of the other one. For me, ASST right now, I would wait for 209. So mark that level, 209. I'm just going to put this $2 psychological level as well, which helps just so I can get an idea of where the psychological levels are. Yeah, what is this? 209. Wait for 209. Maybe you can look for entries. Hollow, just went over hollow. Morning. Trib. Support above 3. Yeah, Trib broke above, but it's so slow. I'll just mark this 3. I mean, if you enter, just have your stop loss just under 3. That's how I would trade it. But yeah, I don't like these candle wicks. Bit strange play. ASNS. For me, I'm not interested in Trib. There's no uptrend on it. It's just trading sideways at the moment. ASNS, I see it did run. If you're looking for entries, maybe above 180. Otherwise, nothing. How is Luna? Luna was a weird one yesterday. It like crazy breakout and then it dumped. Yeah, maybe still bullish with this falling wedge forming. But obviously that news or whatever is happening will decide what's going to happen. So yeah, just keep this on watch. You think SOPA is in a falling wedge or forming a downtrend? SOPA. SOPA did what I expected. If anyone did grab it here, I gave you your stop loss here and I gave you your target. So that was the 5% target, 5% stop loss, a nice little 5% move. But yes, this was a falling wedge on this. See it? Here, falling wedge. And I just had, this was area of support. Could even say it was a double bottom with a falling wedge, stop loss, first target. Trib, I'm not interested in Trib at the moment, unfortunately. CC. All right, let me go through this. CC. All right, how many likes do we have? Okay, we have 39 likes. Once we get to 50 likes or 60 likes, then I will go over the Discord. So until we have that, then yeah, we'll go over the Discord. SISI, nothing unless 0.69. Maybe a bullish pennant forming, actually. No worries, Andrew, bro. No worries. If this gets volume, this should break out on SISI. Nice clean bullish pennant on this, actually. Looks good, technically speaking. Bullish pennant. NSE falling wedge. Hollow just went crazy. Crazy where it went down. It's gone down. Unfortunately. IVP. I think I just did this one. Yeah, IVP right now, it's still, I don't know. I would wait for like 0.334. It's already covered the closest wick, so I would just chill out on it. I'm interested in Discord. Cool. Yeah, I'll just go over it quickly. This looks good. Tan H is moving up. Volume into open. This will probably be a mover today. All right. Okay. How many likes have we got in here? Let's see. 50 likes. Come on. 10 more, guys. 10 more likes. We have 80 people in here. We can at least get 10 more. 10 more. Let me put this on Twitter quickly. going over the Discord for right, so I just posted it. We'll wait a few minutes. GDHG. Let's see if we get to 100 people in here. GDHG, larger time frames, falling wedge. I think the daily is nice on it. Yeah, daily is in a falling wedge. Daily is very nice. GDHG, falling wedge setup. Yeah, this looks alright. This looks alright. This looks alright. SMFL, what's happening here? No, broke below. So what I would do is I would just now consider this as a downtrend. So yeah, nothing on this. ADXN broke above, looks good. I would even wait for it now again. Trib, nothing on Trib. This looks fantastic. Sopper, expecting this to run up into open, to be honest with you. It looks very, very good. I like it, I like it, I like it. I like it a lot. So what I would do is I would draw the trend like this, starting to falling wedge. No, I don't think so, right? No, not yet. But yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Okay, guys, we're going to go over the Discord in 2 minutes. 2 minutes until we go over the Discord. RR. Nothing on RR. ENSC. Looks good. Still valid for entries. Tan H. This one's looking fantastic. This is looking like the mover. Mullen. Nothing yet. And Maxim. All right, guys. I'm going to go over the Discord real quick. Real quick. All right. Can everyone see my screen? Can everyone see my screen? All right. So I'm just going to briefly go over it and show you how it works. So for those who are curious to see how this works. So obviously we have the start here section. This is where all members, once they join, this is the access that they get to, right? They first get to go on to the intro video, right? Where it is walked through by Hassi. Simple explanation on how all these pages work, right? Now, in terms of the alerts, we have how we've explained it here. We have the Tiger utilization, how I give my alerts, right? And then the same as Hassi, how he gives his alerts, all right? Now, for everyone who's asking about the alerts, how does that work and so on, right? It's very simple. We have a pro traders floor, okay? This is where myself and Hassi give the alerts and there is no one else who does so, okay? With the alerts, it comes with a stop loss, a first target, right? And your entries as well. So you can see simply how it looks, right? It's very simple how it looks. I will show you from yesterday, for example. Let me show you. So let's see. So for example, right, Hassi will tell you and give you what he's watching. So he's waiting on the entry on MNTS, right? So he mentioned here MNTS. He will then give you the range at 113 to 116. That's where you enter. That is your stop loss. He just mentioned 50% size, trading size, which means it's higher risk. So if you normally go with $1,000, you go in with 500, right? And then he has your target there, and then target 2, target 3, and so on, right? Same thing with myself on MRM, gave you the entries 711 to 725. The first target's there, stop loss is there, and so on, all right? First target for me is always around 3 to 5%. Stop loss for me is always 3%, all right? So this is kind of the layout on how the alerts look like. So you can see, for instance, MNTS was a great play for us yesterday. Alerted at 121, ran all the way to our fourth target, which was 146. Yeah, so we have everything here as well. So these are the targets here. We have some swing setups that we give. So like this is how it looks, the swing setups, right? So Instacart, give the reasoning, the targets, entry, stop loss, and I just mentioned what you need to do with that. The daily recaps are all given here. Everything is given. You can see every single win, loss, whatever, right? Everything, full transparency in the Discord here. These are based off my watch, my alerts myself. You can see everything is here in terms of the win rate, losses, everything is here, all right? And then the monthly, I have it all the way from 2022. So we have all of this is full transparency. Every single alert that I've given in the Discord is shown. Wins, losses, whatever it is normal. We have it. All right. Then we have a bunch of other educational stuff. We have a lot of cool stuff here with risk management plans, journals, quiz questions, and so on. And then the trading floor where everyone just chats amongst themselves. It's pretty good here. Everyone's just chatting. This is where the members chat. General chat floor, daily watch list, chart requests, trading plan, pre-market rules. These are the pre-market and after-hour setups that we give. Obviously, these floors open up once pre-market and after-hour is open. All right, so that's just a quick run through to show you guys on how the Discord looks. I know someone else has just joined now, so I will send you a DM. Well, you should get an auto message, right, just to watch the intro video. Once you get that done, then you will be able to have access and everything, and then join us. All right, so I'm going to post a link here, guys, if you want to join. I rarely ever promote the Discord, okay? I'm just doing it because I get a lot of questions, and most people from Twitter, my followers, are on here, so I'm just trying to give you guys as much as I can, right? But yes, the difference between Twitter, okay, and Discord, it's very, very different, guys. Twitter, I'm just sharing charts. It doesn't mean I'm in the stock. It doesn't mean I want to buy the stock. It really just shows I'm sharing technical setups that I usually would get in, right, in the Discord, okay? I'm just sharing setups that are technically, that should break out, that should run, right? That should go in your favor. Always, obviously, you guys are in control of whatever you need to do. But if you are in the Discord, you have your game plan set, you have your risk management plan in place, you have your journals, you have everything in place. So you know where you enter, where your stop loss is, where your target is, you know your trade size, all of those things are given to you there. All right, in the Discord. We give our day trade alerts. I give around 3-4 a day. Hassie gives around 5 a day. All right, but we're not an alert service. We're teaching you guys how we trade so you can take that skill and become financially free and, you know, do this for a living for those who want to do it. But if you want purely alerts, we have it there, but don't count on just the alerts because we're not giving you alerts every single day if there's not everything, right? Most of the time, yes, every single day there isn't at least few alerts, but we're not giving 100 alerts a day, right? We're focusing on quality setups that we're teaching, and then we just enter the trades. So that is it. We do live trading every single day, right? Every single day we do live trading. And then we do, obviously I do this, and then we do live seminars. There's all those things as well involved with that. All right. Chris, you can click on the link there. I've just opened up some spots for the 1 month tier and the 3 month tier. If you're having trouble with your payments, you should be able to do it through WAP. If not, I'm assuming you have maybe an Amex card, but yeah, let me know. Just DM me, Dakota. All right. Hollow dead? I don't know, brother. I would just cut the loss. If you want to cut the loss, focus on when it comes up. When it starts pushing up, then maybe you can look for your entries. But that's why I don't get caught up in these plays. No one in our Discord's trading hollow. We don't care about it. It's not part of our strategy. It's a pumper stock. It's a load of bullshit, that stock, in my opinion. The main reason why I'm just sharing it, because a lot of people, my followers, want to see or want to know about the stock. So I'm just sharing my technical analysis on it. That's all. All right. SMFL looks like it's pushing up nicely. ADXN, I hope you guys are in this, as I mentioned, to enter this one. Trib, nothing on this. As I said, it wasn't great. It's come down. SOPA, nothing until the downtrend breaks. ASST, nothing. RR, nothing. TANH is looking great into open. ENSC, very simple, easy trade with this one. Hit the 5% target, as I mentioned. That's pretty much 2 for 2, I guess you could say, for live trading. So well done if you did get in. Very simple falling wedge setup that we always take in the Discord. All right. So link is there, guys. If you want to join, feel free to join. I will see you guys all tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.